Alright, so this week's getting wild. Insta3 and DJI are literally swapping lanes. Insta3 just revealed Anti-Gravity, their first ever drone. Insta3 and DJI is dropping its first 360 cam in a few days. It's like they both looked at each other and went, "Hey, mind if I try your thing real quick?" So let's talk about anti-gravity. This thing's been cooking for years, and it's not your typical drone. Insta3 says it's meant to redefine aerial exploration and storytelling. But in plain English, it's built for creators who want those cinematic reframe everything kind of shots without needing a film crew or a pilot's license. And yeah, we just got our first decent look at the prototype. Shout out to Igor Bogdanov for leaking that. But let's skip the hype and get into the juicy stuff. First off, the drone is sub 249G, which is a big deal. It'll shoot 8K 360 video, so you're getting a full wraparound of everything around the drone. You can spin, zoom, and reframe later however you want. It's like having a floating camera crew with you at all times. Design-wise, Insta3 is teasing the world's first 360 in drone tech. And the design already stands out as something totally different from anything we've seen in DJI's lineup so far. There are also twin sensors up front, likely for obstacle detection, so it whoa and faceplanted into a tree mid-flight. Now, here's where things get really interesting. There's a large metal heatsink with a cooling fan inside. That's super rare for drones, unless you've got serious onboard processing going on. That's probably for the 360 stitching on the drone itself, without needing to offload anything to a PC. Around back, there's a chunky compartment that looks like the battery bay. It also seems to have hot-swappable battery support. Huge win for creators who do want to waste time between flights. The whole build gives off sturdy vibes. The arms look beefy, definitely strong enough to hold solid motors. And speaking of motors, they look brushless, with fat windings for better efficiency and power. The props are your classic two-blade foldables, kind of like what we see on DJI's mini drones. And if it really flies like a 360 Insta360X5 in the air, yeah, we're in for something special. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.